today's topic for discussion is description of plant disease symptom. And today's symptom for discussion is mold. Let us see the details. The symptoms termed as mold because of moldy growth of the fungus which is responsible for deterioration of stored seeds. Even fruits and vegetables get deteriorated because of the moldy fungus. The photograph is shown. The seed-borne fungi of wheat shown in the photograph, and all the moldy fungi grown, different types of fungi grown on the seed surface. Such type of growth of fungus, that is moldy growth of fungus. Grain mold. Just before maturity, the grains in the ear of bajra or jawar get infected with airborne mycoflora. The infected grains show moldy growth of the fungi. The entire surface of the grain get covered by fungal hyphae and spores, just I shown you in the photograph. And the infected grains become unfit for consumption because of the moldy growth of the fungus. The symptoms are termed as grain mold. A grain mold disease is very common if the food grains are stored without drying. The saprophytic mycoflora grow on seeds, causing seed deterioration due to moldy growth of the saprophytic fungi. The saprophytes produce mycotoxins, which are toxic substances. The affected grains becomes unfit for consumption. The fungal genera which causes moldy growth of grains is Aspergillus, Fusarium, Rhizopus, Mucor, Penicillium, Carularia, Cladosporium, etc. Let us see sooty mold type of symptom. In this case, a dark brown to black firm or crust-like growth of the fungus occur on the leaf as well as on the leaf sheath. They grow on intact secretions of leaf. Example, sooty mold disease of sugarcane. It is caused by Capnodium. Next. Black mold. The infected tissue becomes water soaked and very soon entire onion bulb turns soft and rotted. Infected region get covered with mycelial mat and numerous black spores. The black mold, the symptoms termed as black mold due to black moldy growth of the fungus. The black mold disease of the onion, it is caused by Aspergillus niger. It is a saprophytic fungus. Grey mold of cotton. Grey mold. First of all, grey mildew disease occur on the leaves which is close to the soil surface. The spots are developed on the leaves which are light green to yellowish in color, which measure 3 to 4 μm in diameter. The spots are bounded by veins, hence resemble the angular leaf spot disease. The fungal growth is very visible on the lower surface of the infected leaf. During moist weather, the spots turn whitish in color. At maturity, the lesion dry up and patch of the dead tissue, that is necrosis, occurs. Heavy defoliation occurs. All the leaves, the infected leaves, fell off on the ground. That is called defoliation. And in severe cases of disease development, all the leaves fell off on the ground. The grey mildew disease of cotton is caused by Ramularia areola. It is a soil-borne pathogenic fungus. Next, blue mold. Again, it is a type of mold. It is a blue mold disease. The blue mold of apple is caused by Penicillium expansum. It is a fungus. The infected fruit initially show a slightly depressed water-soaked spot which gradually increase in all direction, involving most of the area of the fruit. The pulp of the fruit turns soft and light brown in color due to biochemical alteration or biochemical changes. Such fruits are unfit for consumption. The rotted fruits emit moldy odor. High humidity favors the disease. The affected region of fruit get covered with a mycelial mat and numerous fungal spores are grayish blue in color. entire fruit get rotted within 10 days of the infection. It is a very common post-harvest disease of many types of fruits which occur during transportation and storage period. This is the description of mold type of fungus, mold type of symptom which is caused by pathogenic organisms. And again there are different types of molds, blue mold, grey mold, white mold has been discussed here.